My life is changing in beautiful ways. I welcome change as a sign of growth and renewal. Change empowers me to move closer to my dreams. Happiness is a choice that I make every morning. Change is the universe's way of offering me lessons and blessings. I am a magnet for positive transformation. I trust the process of life and welcome changes that come my way. I am committed to personal growth, and I welcome the changes that help me evolve. Today, I let go of old energy and welcome new, positive energy.